must be crazier than you are.
Yeah! We got lift!
I can do this! Wrangle these bad boys! Yeah! Come on! Manta Ray power roll!
Hey man, I had to ditch the fucking bike. That shit was way too intense.
Ha-ha! Pants fuller at the back than the front, eh? Well, check me a doofy thrust slide! Masterfully executed by the Dominator! Oh, come on! That's female, dude! Boobies!
Yeah, I can see you being a real hit with the ladies, homie.
Dude, you have no idea. You should see me online. Like flies on a turd, bro.
Man, you said it, not me.